It's actually better than I thought it was. I was in here 2 weeks ago and I thought it was pretty pathetic, but actually it's pretty nice. All right, this is Excalibur's sportsbook. It's not bad, but it doesn't have any luxury seating. It does have some couches. They just put those in there. Oh, they're probably getting ready for the playoffs tomorrow. TVs aren't bad. I mean, they're up to 2026, I think. It's these chairs over here that bother me. These are good. These couches are nice. This might be for VIPs. This is a non-smoking area. Okay, I can do that. I can not smoke. Yeah, this is better than it used to be. But who's going to sit in these chairs right here? I mean, if you sat right next to that person, you might as well be on Frontier or Spirit Airlines, or in the HOA meeting. Oh God, that's tomorrow at 8:30. I guess I can miss it. I can show them this picture and say I was here. Okay, something to note. Have you noticed these machines? Charge fuse? They're all over Vegas. There used to be USB ports everywhere. Like everywhere you sit, you could get a USB port and plug your phone in while you're watching a game or while you're at the bar. But nope, they took them all out because they want to sell space to that charging company. Oh, here's a labradoodle. No, not a labradoodle, a copperdoodle. A doodle doodle. really should take him off the leash and let him run a little bit.